I don't know about you, but I'm so tired of the regular mayonnaise and salad cream dressing for salads. Today I made pasta salad and it is so good with this special kind of dressing that I am about to share with you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's start by boiling the pasta alongside some fresh green peas. When boiling your own pasta, you can add a bit of salt to it. I just chose not to add salt to mine. I'm going to let this cook till al dente. That's when it's well cooked but still firm to touch. This should take between 7 to 10 minutes. Now it looks good and ready, so I'm going to drain and let it cool completely. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a nice comment, and also subscribe if you haven't done that already. Thank you. For this very delicious salad dressing, I'll be using some cashew nuts, which I'm going to throw in the blender, followed by lemon juice. I'm going to put all the measurements in the description box, followed by honey and some parsley, dried parsley. I'm going to give this a smooth blend using my raw power blender. Seriously, after trying this dressing, I want to use it for my salads most times because it is really good. I am done blending now and it is very smooth and thick, as you can see. So I'm going to scoop this out of the blender jar and set it aside while I put together the salad. So in a large bowl, I'm going to add the pasta and green peas, which I've cooked very well, followed by some lettuce, thinly chopped carrots, cabbage, cucumber, some tomatoes, and of course I have some turkey, shredded turkey here, smoked turkey actually, which I'm going to add for protein and some extra fullness. And in goes the salad dressing, which is looking so yum. I have leaked some of this. I have to tell you, it is so good. I mixed all of that up and this goodness is what we have. You really have to try this recipe. Please don't go without giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that, and also drop a nice comment for me if you can. Thank you so much for watching.